Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated and Bluetooth is on. Once done, place both AirPods Pro in your ears or open the case near the device so they connect. Now open Settings and tap General. This is where language settings for Siri and system voice behaviors live. Don't skip checking connection status at the top of Settings. If AirPods aren't listed as connected, reconnect via Bluetooth before proceeding, because the device needs a live link to apply language changes. You'll change Siri's language first because AirPods Pro use Siri for verbal prompts. In Settings, go to Siri and search, then tap Language. Pick the English variant you want, English United States, English United Kingdom, etc. Once you select it, confirm and allow the device to process the change. This updates Siri on the phone. Make sure your AirPods stay connected during this sync. If you use voice commands with noise control or transparency, those spoken confirmations will switch to the chosen English variant automatically. You're finishing by testing and troubleshooting. Ask Siri a simple question aloud while wearing your AirPods Pro. You should hear English responses. If the language did not change, disconnect and reconnect the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, then retest. As a last resort, reset the AirPods. Place them in the case, close lid 30 seconds, open, then hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Reconnect to the iPhone and reapply the Siri language. This usually fixes persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.